Hello, good day. So my name is Katie. So nandito po ako para explain sa inyo about more on the business, not on the product side. Alright? So papasadahan ko lang ng onti yung products. So now, why are we here? So we are giving you the value. So why are you even going to bother to do this? Okay? So let's talk about the value. Number two, let's talk about the time. So we are not wasting our time here since whether you're studying, you're doing a business, or you want to do any other things that would add value to you, so you can compare this on whatever you're doing now or whatever your goal or dream in life is. All right? So everything begins with your perception in the business. Gusto niyo ba ng small business or ng big business? Gusto niyo bang maging salesman, entrepreneur, or a mission to help people? Gusto niyo ba ng Minimart or Walmart? Okay? So gusto niyo ng maliit na income o unlimited residual income? Alright? Residual income is yung wala na kayong ginagawa pero kumikita kayo later on. Okay? So we are going to focus on system. Alright? So nowadays, sa panahon natin, nababuhay na tayo sa day and age, technology about things, about products, and how our business operates around the world. So high-tech na tayo ngayon. So ano yung gusto niyong business? Kung mag-operate kayo and all. Okay? So would you like to be still be in the traditional way or sa makabago na? So here I'm presenting to you Uber. Okay? What is Uber? Uber is the world's largest taxi company that owns no vehicle. So ano ang meron ng Uber? Meron silang system na pinapagamit nila kasi namang mag-affiliate sa kanila or mag-partner sa kanila sa buong mundo. They don't own any cars, right? So they make money out of the commissions kung sino yung mag-affiliate sa kanila. They have a system, right? So Airbnb, same thing. So the largest accommodation provider owns no real estate. Same din yan. They have a system, all right? So sino man yung makipag-affiliate sa system nila, kumikita sila ng commission sa buong mundo. Okay? Same with Facebook. Okay? Yung owner po ng Facebook, hindi po siya gumagawa ng content niya. Right? So I hope you get that idea. Okay? Same true with the world's most valuable retail has no inventory. Alibaba. Okay? Richest man in Asia. So system. Gumagawa sila ng system. So ganun na po yung panahon natin ngayon. So ano po yung ino-offer natin sa inyo ngayon? Ba't nyo ito po gagawin? Compare that to what you are doing now, traditional business, or any business, online, or job. Okay? So ito po siya. Jeunesse has the largest viable store in the world in youth enhancement and technology. Longevity with no physical store. So we have the most advanced technology in the world when it comes to youth enhancement. Okay? So with that, we are going to have that in another slide. Okay? Kasi medyo mahaba po yan, malalim. And sa buong mundo po, ma-amaze kayo yung technology niya, wala po siya sa iba. Alright? So, there. So, ang Jeunesse po is number 18 on the direct selling news globally. And yung founder niya, si Ron Ray and Manny Lewis, they are both in e-commerce business. They have retired for 3 times already, but they've thought na wala silang magawa. So, kaya nila ginawa itong legacy business na to help people for their optimum health and wealth. Alright? So 6 years na po ang Jeunesse, but they have achieved a lot of records in history of this industry. So we are breaking record after record after record. Okay. Then we have our own office in Florida. Okay. So and we are shipping in over 130 countries na wala pa pong company na gumagawa niya. Alright. So wala na pa kayong gagawin dito, hindi kayo mag-ship. Ito po yung pinakamaganda sa Jeunesse. No? Nag-hit siya ng 1 billion sales in just 2015 na wala pang nakakagawa na company in history. So, ka-level. No? Ka-level niya po yung Facebook, Apple na nag 6 years. So, tayo po nag 6 years din po tayo. So, nakita niyo po yung scale ng business natin. Okay, and on the Inc. 500, to prove our growth, no, kung gaano tayo ka-stable, sa Inc. 500, no, which is the fastest growing private companies in US, tayo po yung number 1. And compare that with with other companies na nominate like Google, AT&T, and Cisco Systems and all, tayo po yung nakakuha ng mga awards na yan. In fact, for this year alone, sa Inc. 500 list, tayo lang po yung billion-dollar company in the DSA na nakapasok sa Inc. 500. Okay? So imagine that. Right? So ano po yung makukuha nyo rito? So what you will get is a system. Okay, it's like Uber, they have a system, and something like that, Airbnb and all. Okay, so what you will have is your personalized website. Okay, with online real-time back office, exclusive pay-in and pay-out solution, global online shopping cart. Okay, that's it basically. I hope you can follow. So binibilisan ko siya para at least hindi kayo mabore and makuha nyo at least. Okay? So ito po yung pagkakaiba niya. Sa traditional, nakita nyo fixed income if you're getting 40,000 a month. So let's say in 30 months, you can make at least 1.2 million. But in this business, okay, which our business model is being studied by Harvard and Stanford, by it became $1 billion kasi po yung business model niya and yung platform niya is talagang really in a global scale. Okay? So yung platform natin, wala siyang kaparehas sa iba, sa industry. Okay? So, bago po siya, new business model. Okay? So in the duplication or residual income, even if you start with in a few months na wala, but you see 1 peso, 2 pesos, and in 30 months, you make 536 million peso, or if you start with dollars, then you can make that dollars. Okay? So ito po siya. So yung technology natin, again, I will say we will not discuss that in detail. Okay? We have a different slide if you may want to know more about the products. Okay? But our products are amazing. Na wala po yung technology na iba, nahuhuli sila. We have the most advanced in so far. So, youth enhancement system. So, pang loob po at pang labas. So, ang alam na iba kasi, panlabas lang, no? Yung para makapagpa-youth, no? Actually, our aging is caused by the breakdown of our body from the inside and inside the cells and all. And we have that repair mechanism in order to give back the overall balance of our body na hindi po kaya ng iba. Okay? So if you want the details, again, I'll tell you, we have a different slide. We are focused on how to have achieve time and financial freedom here to help people. Okay? So for our yung palabas natin, it was Dr. Nathan Newman is world-known, renowned Hollywood cosmetic surgeon, no? Siya lang yung may patent dito. So what does our product do? Yan po. So pinapabata niya talaga. Literally. Okay, so ito po yung mga testimonies. And for all skin types. Yun naman po pang loob natin is consultant siya na nasa astronaut. He wrote 5 anti-aging books. 20 years ago, he was the founder of American Academy of Anti-Aging. Siya lang po yung gumawa niyan. Okay? So yun po yung mga panloob. Okay? Meron tayong palabas, meron tayong panloob. Okay? So ito po, mami ko sa panloob, okay, no claiming or whatsoever, si Pastor Joel Tañedo, okay, he fell from a height of around 9 to 10 meters. Gumastos na po siya ng 5 million, but wala po nangyari. Basag po yung sa spine niya, okay? Lumbar 1 to 5. And after taking this product, okay, okay siya. Like my mom, she was given months to live, okay? And may solid mass po siya, and then she didn't take any drugs or whatsoever. So after which, no, medyo mahaba. So iniksiyan ko lang po, okay na po siya na wala yung solid mass after nung kanyang ultrasound. But the products were not meant to cure or anything, okay? But it's good for everything, all parts of your body, up to your muscles and bones, brains, heart, or whatsoever, okay? So we have a separate slide on that again. So it's good for everyone, no side effect, no contraindication, or no overdose. All right, so what do you have in order to qualify for this business? You will avail, okay, a package, okay? And once you avail the package, you will have your own personalized website, okay? And if you share this to anyone, anytime, anywhere around the globe, okay, that person too will have the same website as yours, and it will be linked to your website, okay? Dubai man, Singapore, kung saan man, okay, in over 130 countries. Okay, that's how our e-commerce works. Okay, do you have to ship? No. Do you have to put your own office? No. Ganun po siya kasimple. And the difference between the traditional and this is that you don't have to have employees. You don't have to put your office. You don't have to problem about the shipping, the logistics, and all. Okay, all right, and all operation, it's all being done online. Okay. So this is the how your website looks like, right? So let's say this is your name or what, okay? You just share your link, okay? Your link, okay, to your friend from, let's say, Dubai, all right? So you ask him to just click the join now. Okay, then pipiliin niya yung respective country niya, right? Then, mag-fill out lang siya, kukuha siya ng package, gaya ng ginawa mo. Then, in real time, magkakaroon din siya ng sarili po niyang website, okay? Simple as that, share the good news, your testimonies, your stories. So we are not selling actually here. We are giving them the opportunity to have optimum health and wealth. So while using, even if you're not sharing, you are making money, okay? Even if you're sleeping, right? So here's the mechanic goes, no? And when you have your own personalized website, you will have your own login name and password like Facebook, okay? So there, inside your website is this. So you have all the data and information, okay? You will have your own. I'm not claiming anything. Mas malaki pa dito yung kinikita ng mga kinikita rito, okay? Yung pay-in, pay-out system, yung commission nyo, and then lahat ng kasama nyo sa buong mundo, kung sino man sila, nakikita nyo. So these are the people that have the same website as yours, all right? And then that, okay? So simple as that. So here's how it is. So you will have your own package, have your own website, then how to make money. All right. So first, you have a retail profit of 25% every time may nag-visit sa website nyo o may bumili ng product when you share it. Okay. And every time merong nag-join sa nyo to do the business with you, when you share it anywhere in the world, okay, they will avail, of course, a certain package. Okay. Our packages are Ambassador, Jumbo, and Supreme Pack. Okay. For each package that they get directly from you in your website, you will make for the Ambassador 10,000, Jumbo 8,000, and Supreme Pack 4,000. Convert that into dollars if you are in another country. All right. So each package has its own corresponding CV, 500 CV. Okay. 500 CV points. Okay. So for the Ambassador, as you can see, 500, Jumbo 400, Supreme Pack 300. Okay, maliwanag. Right? So fix po yan. Okay. Tingnan niyo po yung number 3 na nakitaan natin. So this is you. You'll have your own website. Your first qualification to make the residual income. Okay. So we are after this number 3 now. The residual income. Even if you're not doing anything, you're making money all over the world. Okay. So you get one person on the left. So he gets, let's say, Ambassador. So you make 10,000, right? Because he gets Ambassador package. And what does the Ambassador have? So 500 CV, all right? So that 500 CV will go up to your left team. Plus, he will have his own website, okay? So you have 500 CV. Now watch closely about the CV or the points, okay? So same thing on the right, ordered Ambassador package. So you get another 10,000, okay? So there, you have on your right 500 CV. Then let's say, this person from Italy, no, senior yung isang kasama nyo on the left, hindi po kayo to. So that CV will go up to that person and will go up to you. Did you do anything? No. Right? So same thing. So i-compute po natin yan. I-compute po ng system yan, computer. So what's your total CV on the left? It's 500, 400, 900. On the right, you have 500 CV. Okay? Our rule in our company is if you make 300, if you accumulate a total of 300 on the left or 600 on the right or vice versa, please understand this. Okay, company will give you $35 or 1,500 pesos. Okay, so total left, total right, at least 300 or 600, 600 or 200. Malinaw po. Okay, so let's say someone from so the company will compute that, and then yung excess, all right, so bigyan ng 1.5 yung excess po. I-retain lang dyan until such time na you will qualify, until such time na mag-qualify ulit kayo sa 300 and 600, then company will give you 1.5. Okay, $300. Okay, so this here from Dubai, it's not you again. Someone from friend or friends take this opportunity and then accumulated, let's say 50,000 points. Okay, and that 50,000 points or CV will be also shared to this person, and to you, up to your. Okay, so this is literally a global team based business. Okay, so tulungan kayo dito makapagbuo ng organization. Alright, so there. So company will give you, so it will be again added to your left and right. So company will give you at least here. Okay, company can give you at least, oops, okay, 26,250 per week or 1.1 million weekly. Okay, so the difference of this with other companies is they have flash out or limit. Tayo wala tayong limit ito. So your effort will not be wasted and all. Okay, even if you're sleeping, kumikita pa kayo. And if you make more than 1.1 million in peso a week, company will pay you on the succeeding week. So week after week after week. Okay, so that's only for 2 persons. Okay, that's for only 2 persons. So this is not parami ng tao. This is for serious persons that who would like to make money or residual income, or who would like to achieve time and financial freedom globally. Right? So there. So imagine you have direct sponsors, sponsoran nyo, sponsorships, no? Sponsoran nyo, let's say, walo, no? And they are making this amount. Okay? So we have the leadership matching bonus, which other companies don't have. Okay? So you make at least 20%, okay, for the first ng mga kasama nyo, partners nyo, out of their cycle. Okay? 15% for the second and 10%. For these details, just contact the person who shared you this video, or contact me and I can share it. Okay? At least I'm sharing to you the whole representation or concept of the business. Okay? And there. So at least you can make that amount. And if you become a diamond, you will have a 3% share of the global cycle. That's how amazing this business is. All right, so you have other bonuses like incentives, travel, trips, and all. Okay, so we can travel the world, and we are compared to other companies now. So Amway, Avon, Herbalife, American, New, whatever. Okay, they made it to $1 billion in more than 20 years, as we made it for just 6 years. Okay, so what other things that you will have? You have a proven system. It will guide you how to do it. Positive environment, you have a team, knowledge, tools, and everything will be provided for. Right? So we have the know-how, global support system, tools, global network of people, and here you are going to use at least Zoom Cloud. Okay, in Zoom Cloud we use that as a tool to share and showcase our business to anyone, anywhere, and conduct training on to all the people anywhere in the world, anytime. Okay, so like sample is that. Okay, so we can present that. Don't need to wherever you are right now, you can start the business without going to different places. Okay, just here inside your home. Okay, just keep on sharing. So there. So let's say we are the audience. So one host is presenting, okay, showcasing the business. Okay, so we have mentors and leaders who are there already and successful in this business, who will guide us and share us and train us about the business. Okay, so this is a zero risk, a win-win business for everyone. Okay, so dito wala na pong bansa-bansa. It's you and your global business. All right. So here you have global community, and as I said a while ago, for the product, so you can ask me or someone that shared this to you. Okay, so as view of the successful leaders around the globe, Kim Wee was the one who made the company to $1 billion from zero. So ano po siya, nasa corporate 500 siya, she was working. So nalaman niya na in working, hindi niya ma-achieve yung dreams niya because she has a big goal. So now she's the top 10 in the world. I think she's making around $500,000 a month. So that equates to around 20 million siguro in peso. Okay? So Samson Lee was a businessman in California na bankrupt siya. He was in debt. So nakabangon siya rito. So he was able to pay. Andrew Nang from Singapore. All right. So on the left, he has his own logistic and shipping company in Singapore. So why he joined Genes even if he's making money? So he doesn't want to undergo again another 14 years of experience of not having a time freedom for his family. So reason niya, real estate. So he's making already 100,000 a month. So why he joined this business? Because he has a higher ambition and he wants to help people kahit na dito ang pagkaiba, kumikita din yung may chance din kumita yung ibang tao. Unlike in traditional business, kayo lang po yung kumikita. Okay? Stevie Chia, he has his own parlor business and now a diamond. So, meron pa tayo ditong steward, no? Stewardess, flight attendant. She married a pilot, no? After 17 months, she's making more than what the her pilot husband is making for 17 years. So pinag-retire niya po yung pilot niyang husband. For all of you who are fan of doing online business, okay, this guy started doing online when he was 15, you know, and then when Jones was introduced to him by his mom when he was 18, nalaman niya na yung e-commerce, hindi na siya nag-i-stock ng item sa bahay niya, hindi na siya nagpupunta sa office or whatsoever. This one, online na lahat, intangible lahat, pero meron kang parang warehouse, meron kang system, meron kang mentor, meron kang guide and all, no? Hindi ka na mag-ship. So he is, I think, is one of the youngest movie director, 21, and he is making maybe around 500 to 800,000 a month. And I wouldn't be surprised if he will become a diamond. And diamond, at least now in a year, you make $1 million. Okay, so now is your chance to design your life. All right, every success begins with a decision. Okay, so join now and we will help you create and also build your success. Okay, so this is about team. That's all. So God bless you all.